Hello, and welcome to the Remote Automation Demo Portal. Please start by entering the email address, which is demo@remoteautomation.co.uk. And the password is REMAuto. Then please sign in. Once you have signed in, you will be greeted with the dashboard page. Please go over to the left-hand side and click Devices. Once you've clicked Devices, this will bring up Farletonview Trout Fishery. This is one of our waters that we are currently using as a testing site. So please select Farletonview Trout Fishery. Now, this will open the page, which you can see all of Farletonview Trout Fishery and give you the full status of the SmartBoxes which are currently deployed on this site. Here we can see the full overview. The system last checked in January the 6th. This is telling us that the AC supply is good, battery status is good, and control model is on threshold. Now thresholds are something that I'll discuss a little bit further down. So currently, both SmartBoxes are showing online that Relay 1 health is good, and the Relay 2 health is also good. At a quick glance, we can also see the oxygen status is okay with a more accurate reading of the oxygen saturation in percentage, which is currently 94.89%. Further down, we have the temperature in degrees, which is also showing us at 3.58 degrees. Outlet 1 is connected to an aerator, and outlet 2 is a well pump which will pump cold groundwater into the fishery when it reaches a certain threshold. Again, I will go into more detail further down. Just going back up, we can also check the connectivity. The signal strength is good. The network is currently running on 4G, and the provider is also listed. We can also use the GPS system to see where the box is situated globally. As you can see, this particular SmartBox is showing at Farletonview. Going back to the portal, if we continue to scroll down, it's giving us a relay status, which means it's currently switched off on both Relay 1 and Relay 2. Again, there's a little bit of information there on the thresholds, which have been set for each relay. I'll go into more detail in a moment. Here we have the control panel. We have manual thresholds and schedule. Manual, you can switch on or off. Override any thresholds or schedules. If you wish to switch an aerator on, you can do so. If you wish to switch it off, you can also using the manual button. The thresholds are where we can set certain parameters. For example, on Relay 1, there is an aerator connected with a dissolved oxygen meter. The dissolved oxygen is reading the oxygen saturation 24/7, giving you continuous live updates of the oxygen levels on that particular water. In this instance, once oxygen drops below 55%, the aerator will switch on, and once oxygen recovers to 60%, the aerator will switch off. Threshold to on this unit is a pump which is connected to an underground well. This will feed cold water into the lake to cool the lake down naturally. Once water temperature rises above 23, degrees, it will automatically trigger the pump to work, and then, once temperature drops below 21 degrees, the pump will switch off. There is also a buffer time, which is set to 15 minutes. This stops the systems from switching on and off when readings hover around the threshold. Relay 1 status is currently switched off, and Relay 2 is also currently switched off, which means neither the aerator nor the water pump is currently in use. Notification settings. So, if there happens to be an issue with dissolved oxygen, the temperature is rising rapidly, or there's an issue with the power supply, the SmartBox will trigger a warning via email or a text message. These notifications can be sent to all team members and notify them of an issue with water quality or equipment failure on site. This can be particularly crucial in the event of an oxygen crash. Often, these crashes can happen in the early hours of the morning, so a trigger warning sent to all staff could be the difference in a safe day or a disaster. Here we have the visualization section. So again, we can see the oxygen saturation. We can also see the system is giving you a live update, which can be viewed on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. This information is stored on a safe and secure cloud, but more information on the cloud storage later. Moving over to the temperature, the same again, the SmartBox is giving you a live update as to what is going on with the temperature on this particular venue, again on a daily, weekly, and monthly status. So here we have the outlet, 1 voltage, and outlet, 2 voltage, and it's giving us a continuous live updates. This shows that the main power is available, switched on, and the status is good. We also have outlet 1, energy measured in kilowatt hour, and outlet 2, energy in kilowatt hours. We can see exactly how many kilowatts have been used over this time period, again on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. This is particularly useful when measuring monthly and annual costings to run equipment, such as aerators or pumps. Just to touch on a few other key points that we have with the SmartBox system, is that the system will automatically run a health check once every 24 hours, and it'll run for 10 seconds to confirm that all systems connected are operational. Access can be shared between all members of the team. This can include a read-only view. The read-only view keeps all parameters and thresholds safe and only allows certain key members to change and adjust any of the thresholds or scheduled timings. But as a safety feature, all the team can be triggered to receive alarm notifications for if there is an issue with any of the waters. For example, if oxygen is low, temperature is high, or power has been lost to the fishery, emails or text notifications can be sent out to alert service users. Lastly, the SmartBox-based system is super intelligent. All the data gathered is stored in a safe and secure cloud. This data can also be cross-referenced with local weather fronts and AI to predict dangerous weather conditions, including extreme high temperatures, high and low pressure movements, and vast cloud coverage, all of which can cause oxygen crashes. This intelligence system can then trigger aeration to switch on well in advance before the weather fronts move in, causing catastrophic disasters. That concludes the remote automation demo portal. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us via the website at www.remoteautomation.co.uk. Likewise, please contact us through our social media channels. Thank you for watching. Remote automation, smarter fishery, smarter thinking.